The back behind? Yes, thank you.
Oh, who has question?
So in Saranagati, we want like the Swarup Lakshana is we want Krishna to protect us. So the gopis, they want to protect Krishna. So
Saranagati, what they Swarup Lakshana. What is Swarup Lakshana Saranagati? The direct symptoms of Saranagati. Not ready. अनुकूल से संकल्प प्रातिकूल से विवर्जन लक्ष्य सती विश्वास दुखिते वर्णन आत्मनिक्षेप कार्पण्य सर्वदा शरण What is Sarva Lakshana? You hold it. You? He is my maintainer. Goptitte Varanam. Goptitte Varanam, Krishna is my maintainer. This is the Sarva Lakshana. Anukulasa Sankalpa Pratikulasa Vivarjanam Rakkhisati Viswaso Goptitte Varanam. Goptitte Varanam. When Krishna is my maintainer. This is our Sarva Lakshana. Krishna, he maintains to everybody or not? Who is giving food to us? Krishna. So this way, Goptitte Varanam, this is called our Sarva Lakshana. Tarasa Lakshana, others. Anukulasa Sankalpa, Pratikulasa Vivarjanam, Rakkhisati Viswas, Atmanik. So what is your question?
we want the Krishna to protect us, but the gopis, they want to protect Krishna.
Gopi?
Gopis, they want to protect Krishna.
There is a one, when we discuss our this katha, there are two things. One is called Tattva Vichar, another is called Rasa Vichar. Jiva Goswami Pad always saying this two ways. Tattva Vichar and Rasa Vichar. Rasa Vichar is that Gopis, they are thinking Krishna, he belongs to us. So our duty to how to protect to Krishna. Because this is their madhurjava, sweetness mode. Tattva Vichar, Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, saying Bhagavan, he is maintainer, he is protector, these things. So in this way, Mother Jasoda, she protects you, Krishna. This is true. Because Mother Jasoda, she does not think that Krishna is Bhagavan. Any Brajavasi, they never think Krishna is Bhagavan. They are Brajavasi, they are thinking Krishna is our family member. That is called Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. Brajavasis, they make friendship with Krishna as like their family member. So this is the difference, Braj and outside of Braj. Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, everybody, they are thinking Krishna is Bhagavan. Where is the Bhagavad Buddhi? He is Bhagavan, that time he will protect to us. And when Laukik Sadbandhuvat Buddhi, that he is our family member, that is our duty to protect to Krishna. So this is the difference, Madhurya and Vaisarya. What is the meaning of Madhurya? Madhurya means sweetness. Sweetness mood is that the Krishna is our family member. As like mother, she protects her son, nourishment her son. In the same way, Brajavasi is their mood. Gopis, they think Krishna is our beloved. Lover and beloved, this mood in their heart. This is called Braj Parakya Bhav. What did he say? Braj Parakya Bhav. So here is the Braj Parakya Bhav, permanent mood. That time they are not thinking Krishna is Bhagavan. But sometimes in the stage of viraha, separation mood. In the separation mood, that time they are thinking, oh Krishna, he is our protector, Visajjala payat belo rakshasa varshamo rutat vaidduta nalat. So Gopi Gita also discuss these things. That is the stage of viraha. In viraha stage, they think Krishna, he protects to us. Actually, in the viraha stage, separation mood, whatever they are speaking, this is their not own, what is it called, conception, vichara. In the stage of viraha, just they are saying, just listen someone, maybe Purnamasi Devi told. So for this regard, in the stage of viraha, they are saying this. Because viraha and meeting. Viraha means separation, or meeting means milan. So at the stage of viraha dasa, what they are saying, actually this is their no own conception. This is the stage in there. So sometimes viraha dasa is saying, oh this. And give an example. In India, when there the what is it called, marriage ceremony going on, and what is it called, bridegroom, lady, क्या बोलते हैं, bridegroom, lady, no, bride, and the poor bride, and she has no ornaments, these things. But at the time of marriage ceremony, that time they also, what is it called, rent some ornaments, jewels, jewelry, and decorated very nicely, many these. And people are thinking, oh, she is very rich. After marriage ceremony, then return give back. In the same way, in the stage of viraha dasa, when Gopi they use this word Krishna is your protector, he is a maintainer, this is not their own conception. Sometimes they heard from Purnamasi Devi and they are speaking. Understand this? Actually, these things, the opulence is there also, but without opulence you cannot establish Krishna is Bhagavan. Krishna is Bhagavan this way. They give an example in Viraha Dasa, when they use this word, Krishna is Bhagavan, they are these things. Actual, this is what. Sometimes the opulence just 1 second manifest and again disappear. Give an example, if you boiling the milk, how many liter milk? 2 liters, 10 liters, 50 liters, or 100 liters milk you are boiling. Understand? Then that milk also boiling and you are making the whirlpool, up and down. if you put one small grass, put in there, then going down and again coming up and again down. 1 second just you can see that the grass and again down this. In the same way, in the stage of Viraha Dasa, Gopis, they are speaking Krishna's opulence or what is called Bhagavatta, supremacy, Bhagavatta. This is not their own conception. Just Yogamancy arranged and this way, and again coming down. Especially this also explained in Brahmar Gita. In Viraha Dasa, Srimati Radhika, she told, Megurupur Kopindra Vibhrate Lubdha Dharma. Srimati Radhika, she told, hey bumblebee, actually Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, this is called here, the messenger of Krishna. And Krishna sent to me, pacify my man. In the Man Dasa, Srimati Radhika, she also used these harsh words. She is saying, Mrigurpi Kopindra Vibhrate Lubdha Dharma. Srimati Radhika, she told, why are you have come here and pacify to my man? And you are big cheater. And I know the characteristic of your friend Krishna. And I know this, he is big cheater. Not even I know his 3 birth, 3 janma. Even Ram Lila, he killed Bali, and he made friendship with Sugriv and he killed Bali. And so Ram Lila, I know he is a big cheater. No one eat the flesh of the monkey, but in the Ram Lila he killed Bali. Bali he was a monkey. So why did he kill these things? Why did he kill the monkey? And he is big cheater. But he is saying, I am always following the rules and regulations of the society. Raghukula riti sada chali ai prana jai boru bachana na jai. But in Ram Lila he killed Bali. So now coming the question. So how Srimati Radhika, she knew the Krishna, he came in Treta Yuga in the form of Ramchandra. So actually this katha, this is not Srimati Radhika's own conception. In sometimes Purnamasi Devi told to the gopis, Krishna is Bhagavan. Krishna, he came, in his many incarnations, and his Ram, Nrsimha, there are things. But in that time, gopis, they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan, but Krishna is Ram. But in the Viraha stage, and that katha they are remembering and saying this way. Actual Krishna is Bhagavan, Bhagavatta. In Treta Yuga he was Ram, and gopis, they don't believe. Once Krishna met with gopis, and Krishna told, hey gopis, why you joked with me? You are thinking I am stupid, I am cowherd boy. I am Bhagavan. But who is Bhagavan? You don't know I am my many incarnations. And Treta Yuga I was Ram. Then gopis, if you Treta Yuga and Ram, we heard from Purnamasi Devi Ramchandra, he built the bridge over the ocean. So you can also build you can build the bridge over this pond. And then Krishna played the flute, then many monkeys coming and they also breathe. Gopis, they saw these things. Gopis, they are thinking this is a real bridge or what is it called? Fake. Well, Krishna told they can also walk on the bridge they can see. Understand? Then Gopis, they noticed all the stone also floating on the water. And Gopis, they also walking on. Understand? That is called Rameswar Setubandhan. If you go Braj, Bimala Kunda, nearby Bimala Kunda, that is called Hijwar. And one place is there, and Kambovan. The one place is called Rameswar Setubandhan. Where Ramchandra, he built the bridge over the ocean. And that also place is there. So now question is coming, how Gopis they know Krishna is Bhagavan? But why they use this word? I know Krishna 3 birth, 3 janma. He is Vaman avatar. He cheated Bali Maharaj. In Vaman avatar, incarnation of Vaman Dev, he saw his small feet. And he told, hey Bali Maharaj, I am Brahman boy. And just I have need 3 steps land. Tripad Bhumi. What did he say? Tripad Bhumi. I want only 3 steps of land. And that land also I will take measurement with my own feet. And showing his feet is very small, maybe 1.5 inches. Because he is called top. But when Bali Maharaj took Achman and saying, okay, I am now giving, and at the time of Dan, taking the donation, then he manifests his huge form. One his leg, he took the whole world. Another leg, he also measurement the heaven Sargalok. And he also manifested 3rd leg. Human being, how many legs? How many legs have you? 2 or 3 or 4. If you have 4 legs, you are called animals. Chatuspad Jantu. Understand? But Krishna, that is Vaman Dev Bhagavan, he manifests 3 legs. So he big cheater. So Ram avatar, so Srimati Radhika, she told, I know Krishna's Ram avatar. And also Vamanadev avatar. I know. And now he is coming in the same person, he is and Krishna avatar. Krishna also big cheater. He says, hey Gopis, you are my heart and soul, and I cannot repay your love. No parahang nirbaddhang saujang sasadu kritta vyudev saviva. Jama durja griha shrinkhala sangvischa pratijatu sadhuna. Hey Gopis, I cannot repay your love. But now he is meeting with others person, other ladies. So what is the meaning of this? For this Srimati Radhika, she told, I know her 3 birth, 3 janma. He is big cheater. So now question is coming, how Gopis they know Krishna's 3 birth. 3 birth is which birth? Is Krishna birth, Krishna janma, Vaman Dev avatar and Ramchandra avatar, Ram avatar. Actual Gopis, they don't believe Krishna is same Rama or Krishna is same Vaman Dev. Gopis, they don't believe. Just they heard from Purnamasi Devi. Understand? And in the stage of Virha Dasa, Gopis, they use this word. Actually, this word is, they are not their own katha. That's they heard from Purnamasi Devi, they are thinking this. So, in the stage of Virha Dasa, these types of opulence and Bhagavatta is coming. But that opulence mood only couple seconds and then disappear. For this regard, giving this example, if you boiling the 100 liter milk and boiling, then in the milk is what? Whirlpool. And if you put one small green grass, then green grass coming up, then again going down, and after a couple of minutes and again coming up. In the same way, Viraha Dasa, gopis they are, what is called? Krishna's supremacy, Bhagavata just manifest couple of seconds and again disappear. You understand? This is the process of actual Tattva Vichar. Krishna is Bhagavan. You cannot say Krishna is Bhagavan. Ete changsa kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. Krishna is Bhagavan. This is. Krishna is not an ordinary cowherd boy. Krishna is Bhagavan. And for this regard, he performed Ras dance. For this regard, he married 16,108 queens in Dwarka. And how many your wife and children? Or Krishna, how many? One queen, 10 sons and 1 daughter. Understand? Only 1 son and 1 daughter, very difficult to maintain your life. This is what. Are Krishna's, how many sons and daughters? You could calculate this mathematics. Human being not possible this. So Krishna is Bhagavan, this is true. And their sons and daughters, actual, they are not ordinary sons and daughters. They actual, this is called Krishna's, what is called, and Prakash, actual. And this is the thing. Understand? So that means you cannot say Krishna is a lusty person. You cannot say this way. Krishna is Bhagavan. Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambuvati, Nagnajikta, who are they? Actually, they are the expansion of Srimati Radhika, Lalita, Visakha Devi. And just Brajalila and Dwarka Lila. And this way. So, why I am saying the actual Krishna is Bhagavan. Tattva Vichar, the conception of Tattva, philosophy. Krishna is Bhagavan, saying Bhagavan. And Krishna, he lifted Giriraj Govardhana. Could you hold one small stone? Very difficult. Even you cannot also raise your hands 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then you feel pain. What is saying? Jai, Jai, Sri Radhe. How many you raise your hand? And you feel pain. Krishna, he lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days, 7 nights. This is Bhagavan. He is Bhagavan. This is his oyster, opulence. Actually, Braj completely full of opulence. But that opulence covered with Madhurya, sweetness. This thing. So that means here is separation mode. Inside also, and sweetness is there. So performing bhajan and sadhan, then we realize this thing. And Gopi's mood is the topmost mood. And this mood, that is called Braj Parakya Bhav. And what did he say? Braj Parakya Bhav. Braj Parakya, Paramar mood. And this Braj Parakya mood only manifests in Golok Vrindavan, not in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwarka and Mathura. Only, so saying they were singing this song, Jaya Jaya Jalo Raso, Sarvo Raso Sar, Parakya Bhavi Jatha, Brajit Prachar. Ujjal Ras, Jaya Jaya Ujjal Ras. Ujjal Ras means Singar Ras. What is it? Singar Ras. Conjugal mode. And this conjugal mode also 3 types, 2 types. and one is called Tattat and Samandha, Samandhatmika, another is called Kamatmika. And understand? Samandhatmika. They have spontaneous relationship with Krishna. For this regard called Samandha Atmika. Sakha, Vatsalya and all they are called Samandha Atmika. Samandha means relationship with Krishna. Krishna is my son. This is Samandha. And Madar, Jasoda or Nanda Maharaj always think Krishna is my son. This is Samandha. Subal Sridham, what they are thinking? Krishna is our friend. Samandha. Even in Dwarakapuri, Mahishi is the queens of Dwaraka. What they are thinking? Krishna is our husband. Understand? English word husband means is what? Horse or band. Horse word, understand? Horse word and band. You understand that? What did he say? Husband, Horse or band. Band, understand? Are a band take one or the as like mridanga, no? Band. You understand, no? What do you understand? Husband. Or is the horse words? Understand? Our band means? bad. So saying this word, husband. Understand? This is the jokes, not like everybody. Don't tell. Those who are listening, go, Maharaj criticized your husband. It's sometimes jokes, you know. So just I also explain this way. They are called Samandha Atmika. Even Dwarakapuri. Dwarakapuri and the queens of Dwarka, they are thinking Krishna is our husband. This mood is there. The Sanskrit word, there is relation between wife and husband. Pati Patni Samandha. So that is called Samandha Atmika. Or in Braj, that is called also Samandha Atmika there. And as like Nanda Jasoda, they think Krishna is our son. Subal Sridham, they think Krishna is our friend. The Samandha Atmika there. Our gopis, another is called Samandhatmika, another is called Kamatmika. Here Kam means transcendental divine love. Premaiva gopa ramanang kamiva mittabhi dhyate. Gopis last, that is called that transcendental divine love. Not the any sexual things. Those who are less intelligent people, they explain, oh, Krishna is lusty person, or gopis they are also lusty. No, you can use this one. The transcendental world, there is a prem, love. Love and lust look like same, but completely what? Opposite. Atmendra pradhivancha tare boli kam, or Krishnendra pradhivancha dhari premana. What is the own sense gratification? That is called lust. Or whatever will do exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Krishna's sense gratification. That is called prem. Look like come. Gopis, they run after Krishna. Why? Why gopis they are going towards Krishna? For the pleasure of Krishna. Krishna sukh hetu gopis sab kare lok vyavahar. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Gopis, they perform all kinds of their activities for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Understand? Not there, they have no own, what is called, own sukh, no happiness. This is the thing. So, just I also explained this, kamatmika means this way. How give exclusive pleasure to Krishna. Krishna sukha. Jatte sujata charanambujo ruang stanesu bhitasane dadimya karkaresu. And Gopi Gita, last verse. Gopis, they also explain, everything is there. Thinking how to Krishna will be pleased. Krishna sukh. Bhakti means this way. How to exclusively pray for Krishna. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana vritam anukullena krishnanu silanam bhakti uttama. Anukullena krishnanu anusilanam. All the activities of gopis, this was pleasure for Krishna. Krishna sukh. For this Krishna's pleasure, they also pray to Brahma. Oh, maybe our chest is very hard. So, understand? So, maybe our chest will become soft. So, they pray to Brahma. Why these things? Because Krishna sukh. This is the first. So, Gopis, they have no own self-interest. All they are doing, everything is what? Krishna sukh. For the Krishna sukh hetu Gopi sab kare vyavahar. Loka vyavahar. They are putting very nice, beautiful cloth. Why? For the pleasure of Krishna. Krishna sukh. Very nice, beautiful, delightful, and also gorgeous silken cloth. Why? For the Krishna's pleasure. Very nice, beautiful hair, clothing here. So maybe your question, why? So how Gopis they get their time? Actually, Jogmaya she arrange. Understand? When Gopis are thinking, today I will dress very nice cloth. That their trees automatically give the very nice, beautiful cloth. Because in Vrindavan, all the trees called Kalpavriksha. Understand? There are no need to go to the market and buy. And no need to also have that. I don't know, nothing. No need to. No need to also go to the place of, what is called? Laundry. And just they were there thinking, today I will meet with Krishna. They in Jogmaya she arranged this. Very nice, beautiful, silken, gorgeous, and cloth automatically come. So what is it? Chintamani prakar sadmusu kalpa vriksha laksha britisu suravi ravira palayantam lakshmi sata sahasra sambrama sibbamanam govindam adi purusam tamang vajan. You cannot believe how Gopis nice dress, cloth, and their beauty also. Very unique and unparalleled. This is the thing. Yogmaya and their body also turns into Chidananda Vigraha. If you not take bath one day, then bad smell coming from your body. For Diga, you also use many kinds of perfume. Gopis, there no need. Their body is Sachidananda body. Sachid Anandamai. But human being Leela, also they are putting many kinds of perfume. This thing. This is a look Leela. Human being form. This is for Diga, Uddhav, he recited this verse. Nayang surungu nitantarate prasadato sarjasita nilena gandha kuchorutanang rasotsavasa bhujadanda grito kanto labdha swajat udgaja braja sundarinam. Nayang sri angu nitantarata prasadato. Srimati Lakshmi Devi, she did not get these types of opportunity and to enter in Ras dance as like gopis. So saying Nayang Srungu Nitantarate Prasadata Sar Josita Nulina Gandha Rucho Kuto Annam. In the heavenly planet, Sargoloka, the Devis, how they are beautiful, themselves are there also. So much sweet fragrance coming from their bodies. But they can't attend to Ras dance. Our gopis, they are easy to attend to Ras dance. So he is saying, Nayang Srungu Nitantarate Prasadato Sar Josita Nolina Gandha Rujukuto Annam. Sweet fragrance coming from their bodies. Gopis' body is very sweet, beautiful and attractive and so much delightful, luster, no? So much effulgence comes. But in the local lila, gopis they are very humble. But reading this lila like this. So saying Nayang Srungu Nitantarate Prasadato Sar Josita Nulina Rucho Kuto Anna Rasotsavasya Bhujadanda Grito Kanta Jad Udgar Vajar Sundarina. Krishna embraced kissing to the gopis. Why? Gopis' form is very beautiful and attractive. Understand? So, just I have to explain this way. Gopis, they are not ordinary person. So, just I will say, is in the Kamatmika Bhakti. Kama, Atmika, Kamatmika. Actually, their body is your transcendental divine love. Prem, divine love. So much, what is called? Delightful, what is called? Luster. Luster coming, effulgence coming from the body of gopis. Understand? Just give an example, one very nice, beautiful young girl. So much of the luster coming from their body. Everybody attract. In the same way, gopis' bodies were the same, very beautiful and attractive. You don't think the gopis just an ordinary cowherd boy, a cowherd girl. For this regard, Krishna attracts. Krishna is saying, I am, what is it called? My beauty is unique and unparalleled. But when I notice the gopis, then I completely attracted with the gopis. How this is a beautiful form of the gopis. Krishna is saying, everybody, every person also, what is it called? Attract with me. Everybody completely intoxicated with my fragrance. Ama grandhe tribhuvan matai. You understand? Krishna says, everybody completely intoxicated with my bodily fragrance. But when gopis' bodily fragrance coming, then Krishna saying, I completely intoxicated. Especially they saying there, Madamadadi Jovani Pramodamana Mandite Priyanuraga Ranjite Kalavilasa Pandite Anandang Ananam Kunja Kamake Liko Vide Kada Kari Sasiyamang Kripakadaksha Bhajanam Radha Kripa Madamadadi Jovane Pramodamana Mandite Priyanuraga Ranjite Kalavilasa Pandite Ananna Dhanna Kunja Rajya Kama Keli Kovide Kada Kari Sasyamang Kripa Kataksha Bhaj. Krishna, he defeat one Kamdev. So for this regard, Krishna's name is called Madan Mohan. Our Srimati Radhika, her name is called Madan Mohan Mohini. Madan Mohan. Actually, who is origin Kamdev? Krishna, Varinandan Krishna. Krishna means who is Krishna? ब्रजनंदन कृष्ण चोरी गोपीर मनोरथे मन मथे नाम धरे Madan Mohan. Krishna is called Madan Mohan. So he is saying this verse. Chori Gopir Manorathe Man Mathe Nam Dhare Madan Mohan. His name is called Madan Mohan. Vrindavane Apragita Navina Madan Kam Gayatri Kam Vijir Jaharupasan Kam Gayatri Mantra. So Krishna is called Madan Mohan. He defeated the beauty of Kamdev. Or Srimati Radhika, she defeated to Krishna with her very nice, beautiful, sidelong glance, luster, everything this. Venu Karannita Paditang Brashtancha Pita Vasanam. When Srimati Radhika just she did man understand? Many kinds of man. Who is the topmost man? Are Lalit man. You remember this. Which man? Lalit man. There are many types of man, anger. Topmost man, that is called Lalit man. There are many types of them. Hetuman, Ahituman, Durjaman, unbreakable man, many kinds of man. But topmost man, that is called Lalit. So Kohen Krishna, Srimati Radhika did this man. And she also chastised to Krishna with her sidelong glance. And so cutting her lips with the teeth. When ladies become very angry, then you can see their face. Understand? You cannot see the face.
When
What
they're
will
very
you
angry, you don't want to look.
take photo? Video cassette maybe. She taking not
You can't look. You have to run.
Okay, put the video cassette, then you run. Put the camera. You see. Cutting her lips with the teeth or not? So you are saying only. She has become very angry. So saying this verse, Benu Karannita Paditam. When Srimati Radhika did man with her sidelong glance, and such is the heart of Krishna. And her sidelong glance is as like very powerful arrow. Saraghatana Vimurchita Tasya. And that time Krishna's body start to shake. So he's saying this verse there, Benu Karannita Paditang Prashtancha Pita Vasanam. Then Krishna's yellow garments, Pitambar also falling down. And Krishna's body start to also shake. Krishna is Bhagavan. He killed many demons. He killed he killed the all gigantic demons. Are now coming in front of Srimati Radhika, Krishna, and his body start to shake. So Benu Karannita Padidam Brashtancha Pita Vasanam. And he is also peacock feather falling down. His flute falling down. Everything is working. Then his body start to shake and also fell. And completely what? Faint. So for this regard, this Shastra is saying this. So Krishna, a Srimati Radhika, she is called Madan Mohan Mohini. Understand? What is the name of Srimati Radhika? Madan Mohan Mahi. Actually, this is called the prem, divine love. Prem is there. Eh? Without love, you cannot understand this. These types of highest prem in Golok Vrindavan. So the high music, because they are saying this one, Jaya Jo Jalo Raso Sarvo Rasa Sar Parakiya Bhavi Jatha Brajit Prachar. Eh? So this Kamatmika Bhakti only manifest in heart of the Braj Gopis. This Kamatmika Bhakti again also two types. What is that? One is called Sambhog Icchhamai, another is called Tat Tat Bhavi Icchhamai. Sambhog Icchhamai, this mood manifests in the heart of the Lalita Visakha. They are called which Sakhis? Prana Prishta Sakhi. Highest rank of the Sakhis. What is your rank? In the army, many armies, their rank different, you know. In the same way, Lalita Visakha, they are called Prana Prishta Sakhi. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, and Prana Prishta Sakhi. So Lalita Visakha, they are called Prana Prishta Sakhi. Highest rank. This Sakhi. So saying in this verse also. Lalita Visakha. What did he say? So they are called Lalita Visakha. Sometimes they also meet with Krishna independent. For this regard, they are called Sambhog Icchhamai. Or another Sakhis, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, they are called Tat Tat Bhavi Icchhamai. Tat Tat Bhava Icchhamai. Tat Tat means one who completely, absolutely surrender with Krishna. Who completely, absolutely surrender with Krishna? Srimati Radhika. For the Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. You try to understand one word. Tat, Tat. Tad Vastu and Tam Vastu. Tat Padartha and Tam Padartha. You try to understand the philosophy thought. One is called Tat Padartha, another is called Tam Padartha. Tat Padartha, that is called Krishna, Bhagavan. He is Bhagavan, Tat Padartha. And Tam Padartha, that is called his shelter. Tadyatta. And so Tat Padartha means Krishna himself, Swayam Bhagavan. Always remember Tattva Siddhanta. Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. He is called the supreme enjoyer. Understand? Krishna is called supreme enjoyer. Except Krishna, everybody is called enjoyee. Vaishnava philosophy, two things here. One is called enjoyer, one is called enjoyee. Except Krishna, everybody is what? Enjoy. So for the Akela Purush Krishna are sab vritta. Jare joiche nachai toiche kare nitta. Except Krishna, everybody is what? Servant. Servant means sevak or sevika. Or Krishna, he accepts their seva. This thing. You understand or not? Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna very nicely. She is called the Sarvottam Sevika. Topmost servant of Krishna. Understand? Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna in different ways. She served because Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. For this regard, her name is called Radha. Why Srimati Radhika name is called Radha? Your name is not Radha. Your name is so, Radha means Sarvavancha Purti Kore Aradhane. Atev Radhika Naam Purane Bakhane. And all Ved, Puran, Upanishad glorify Radha name. Why? Because Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. Devi Krishnamai Prukta Radhika Paradevata. Sarva Lakshmi Sarvakanti Sanmahini Para. Here Radha name is there. Devi Krishnamai, what is it? And this, so here is saying this way. Gautama Tantra, this sloka is explained. You just explain the Radha. Devi Krishnamai Radha. Devi ko hi dutamana parama sundari kingva Krishna kidar basati nagari. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Dibbati kidayati iti Devi. Who makes the dance to Krishna with her divine love. Understand? Maya Devi, she makes dance to all the conditional soul. Or Krishna, he controls the Maya. For the Krishna, he is called Mayadhish. Krishna is the supreme controller of Maya. Mayadhish Krishna. Or now Mayadhish Krishna controlled by Srimati Radhika. Saying this way. So Srimati Radhika, how Srimati Radhika she controls to Krishna? With her divine love, prema. So saying this, the Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. So saying this word, Devi ko hi dutamana parama sundari kingva Krishna kidar basati nagari. Devi dib dhatu, dibbati kidayati, and iti dib. Devi. We are saying that. Krishna, he is called Deva. Or Srimati Radhika, she is called Devi. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Or Srimati Radhika, she controls to Krishna. Well, how? Because with her divine love, aprakrita prem. If you have love, then you can control. Or if you have no love, you cannot control. This is a simple way. So Srimati Radhika, with her transcendent divine love, she controls to Krishna. So for this regard, her name is called Radha. Sarva vancha purti kare aradhane. Atev Radhika naam Purane Vakha. All Ved Purana. Why this name is, her name is called Radha? Because she fulfills all the desires of Krishna. Because she knows the heart of Krishna. And Srimati Radhika did man. Why did she man? For the pleasure of Krishna. And Prema Samputa Grantha. Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada explained this. And Devangana, that means Krishna, disguised the form of young girl. And asked to Srimati Radhika, if you love to your beloved Krishna, why did you angry with him? Srimati Radhika told, actually I did not angry. For her pleasure I am doing everything. For his pleasure. Srimati Radhika did man. Why did man? Why she chastised to Krishna? Mother chastised her baby or not? What is the reason? Others baby are playing, mother did not chastise. But your son is doing any wrong, you chastise. Eh? You understand? Your son will not go to school, then you say, hey baby, go to school. Other boys are going, you are not chastise. Chastise or not? No. Eh? But if your son will not go, but do any wrong, you chastise. Eh? Because it's samandha. And so much parental love and affection. Where the love and affection, chastisement will come. And I don't know, love and stupid nonsense. Pagal. You understand? So that means Srimati Radhika's so much love and affection with Krishna. And so Srimati Radhika, she told everything through and Devangana. Devangana, understand? When Krishna disguised the form of young lady, or there the picture is here or something, and somewhere this picture is there. What that? Not in here. Very nice, beautiful. Samla Sakhi. Black is Sakhi. Very beautiful. Tat padarth. So I think tat. How do you get? Tat tat. One is Sambhogichamui, another is called tat tat bhavichan. Tat and tat. Here two words is tat tat. Tat. Are you first to understand what is the meaning? What is the word about this praying? One is called Sambhogichamui, another is called tat tat bhavichami. They are using this word tat tat. So for this regard, I using this word. One is called tat padartha, another is called tam padartha. You understand? Need board one. Right. Tat padartha, another is called tam padartha. Here tat padartha, who is Krishna. Or tam padartha, that is called his servant. But here is the tat padartha. Tat tat bhavichami. Arthat one who completely but absolutely serve to Krishna. So for this tat tat bhavichami. That means first you tell that means Krishna, he absolutely, Srimati Radhika, she fulfill all the desires of Krishna. Tat padartha means Krishna. You understand? Srimati Radhika, she fulfills all the desires of Krishna. So you this word Krishna, this word tat. Tat tat. Who is tat? Krishna. And Hari tat means who belongs to Krishna. Who belongs to Krishna? Srimati Radhika. Tat bhavachami. And so that means we serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. So saying tat tat bhavachami. Actually all the desires is for Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika, she fulfills all the desires of Krishna. So that means is what coming in this way, we have to those Sakhis are completely and absolutely surrender to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Actually, for this regard, Sanskrit word they say, they are Manjari, they are called tat tat bhavichami. Tat tat bhavichami. That was Srimati Radhika, how she fulfilled all the desires. If you not completely surrender to Srimati Radhika, then you cannot completely serve to Krishna. So Manjari's mood is means what? They are tat tat bhavichami. They completely, absolutely one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Manjari Bhav. Why you are saying this Manjari Bhav? Manjari Bhav mood in there, those absolutely surrender with Srimati Radhika. They have no own any desires. And actually that is called the Radha Nishtha Sakhis. What is it? Radha Nishtha. They are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Lalita Visakha, sometimes they independently meet with Krishna. But Manjaris, they never. Even they are dream, they are thinking they will meet with Krishna. Sapana Opi. And Vrindavan Mahimamrita Grantha also explain this way. How is Manjaris, their mood. What is your mind, what is your dream coming? What you are thinking daytime and night time, that coming or not? That is called the dream, sapna. What do you mean sapna? Daytime what you are thinking, that will manifest in dream. Daytime you are looking very nice, beautiful. What is called? What are you looking? What is the best thing you are looking? Okay. One flowers. One cat, one dog. Night time that dog will come or not? Because your mind impressed. Then when you sleep, that dog is coming. You are embracing the dog. Kutte come. So night time what will coming? Dog coming or not? Coming. This is the nature.
Dog consciousness.
You are laughing, this is true or wrong? This is true. Honestly tell, if you were this, if you are thinking too much one lady or one boy, and night time what coming? What dream will come? Same thing will come. Because what you are doing, everything impressed in your mind in very subtle way. Subtle way. Sukshmati. This kind. So I am saying this because, but the Manjaris, those who are Manjari, even their dream not coming, you will independently meet with Krishna. So what they use this word, sapane. And even their dream will not come. You will meet with Krishna. They never will. Because they are day and night they absorb with Srimati Radhika. Radha Nishtha. Manjari's mood means Radha Nishtha. One pointed with Srimati Radha. Radha meri Samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो, वृंदावन को वास. Understand? How they are, how Manjari they are, one pointed with Srimati. Day and night always absorbed with Srimati Radhika. Sometimes Srimati Radhika, she takes test. You are one pointed with me or not? Understand? Srimati Radhika, she sent one Manjari. Okay, go to the garden and pick up some flowers. According to the instructions of Srimati Radhika, she is picking the flowers. And here Krishna also, Srimati Radhika again told, hey Krishna, now my very nice beautiful Manjaris, Manjari, she is plucking the flower, you go there. Then Krishna coming and Krishna told, hey Manjari, come here. Understand? Manjari, that Manjari is saying, no. Then Krishna tried to, what is called, pull their cloth. Then she is very angry. And she is calling out loudly, hey Radhe, please save me. And crying and crying. When Srimati Radhika had not seen then Krishna, Srimati Radhika saying, hey Krishna, don't touch my Sakhi Vrindavan Vihari. Manjari Bhav is not so easy. You want to become Manjari. Have to take test in there also. That time Krishna really used very nice, beautiful, certain words also there. Understand? Look like in this material world. One person how to attract the boyfriend and girlfriend. Oh, I am rich, I have that this thing, this. Doing or not? You know many things, everything. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she will take taste. Manjari, so far the Manjari Bhav is not cheap. Sasta nahi hai. And it's very kimti, expensive. Kimti, understand? What it means? Very expensive. Understand? For this guy, Srimati, when you pass, uttirna ho jaoge. When you pass, you will give the pass marks. Pass marks means what? 100%. Understand? If you go, I don't know, here in India, one kind of examination, civil service examination. And you have to get the number, how much? 100%. If you get 1% less, there will be question marks. Why did you get the 99%? Why not get the 100%? You understand what I am speaking? Here you go to school, college, how much number you get the first number? 55. But in transcendental world, there you are 100%. Understand? Completely, absolutely. One not accepted. Also rejected. You understand what I am speaking? Then question marks will come. If you get 99.9, also not acceptable. And you have to get how much percent number? 100%. And 100% completely, absolutely surrendered the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Dasam. We are saying you want to become Manjari. And so you have to test. So Manjari means this way, one pointed with Srimati. Here one pointed with 100%. And one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is coming. Bhavillas Rati Dekhane. For this regard, Srimati Radhika's all mood, everything reflected in the heart of the Manjari. Manjari means this way. If you not completely 100% not surrender with Srimati Radhika, so Radhika's all mood not reflected in your heart. Gaur Premanam. Now 9 o'clock. Okay, chalo. Harikatha finish. Then take breakfast. Then again 10:30 Kirtan. And then 11:30 Harikatha. 10:30 to 11:30 Kirtan. And how? Festival means this. Mahaprasad, Harikatha. Harikatha Mahaprasad. हाँ Yeah. The Gopi Git. This is what?
Like hot water.